Hello, today I am going to speak about Agastya International Foundation, which creates a spark in rural India. It is a journey towards making life a fun, and also it is helping the poor people to learn so that they can create new wonders in their life. Let us see how various organizations like Emphasis, etc., are helping these NGO. Agastya International Foundation is set up in Bangalore. Let us see the video which will give us a brief idea about its work and the success it has achieved so far.
Where the three southern states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu meet, just a 2-hour drive from the city of Bangalore, Agastya International Foundation occupies a 172-acre campus. This campus is the main hub for mobile labs that take lessons in science, math, ecology and art to village schools and communities. On remote rural roads that ribbon the landscape, more than 50 brightly painted vans carry low-cost experiments that augment the curricula of government schools. The mobile lab is the only real lab many rural students and their teachers ever see. This is the largest science outreach program in the world. Instructors from Agastya teach school children by using models and experiments, encouraging them to touch and explore through close observation. The natural curiosity of children is fostered, sparking creativity as their confidence grows and learning is made fun. Mobile lab instructors are true change agents, traveling 600,000 kilometers of rural roads and visiting 10,000 schools in a year, engaging children, teachers and communities in interactive learning. The goal is to permeate the whole of India with as many mobile labs and science centers as possible, a method approved by India's National Knowledge Commission. In the midst of rural India, Agastya's campus provides a hands-on science museum for children which has one rule: please touch, challenging young minds, sharpening motor skills and drawing on familiar stories. At one end of the spectrum are the durable, elaborate models used in the Discovery Centre and carried to science fairs. At the other end are low-cost experiments and models that can be easily and inexpensively replicated. More than 500 children each day are brought to campus by the busload. From durable models built for energetic hands and inquisitive minds, visitors to the Discovery Centre learn principles of science and math, laws of physics, and our place in the solar system. Following a visit to Agastya, discarded items become the tools of their own imagination, leading children to correctly believe they can invent and discover things too. The study of living things occurs in the biology lab. The ecology lab, however, is the entire campus. Scientists from prestigious institutions across India and around the world conduct research in ecology on the campus. While scientists, artists and other visitors instruct the teachers and children, some of the children are also selected for the Young Instructor Leader program. Children are selected to be young instructors when they show special interest and skill. Agastya also reaches communities through science fairs which come into town with all the excitement of a travelling circus. For a few days, young instructors demonstrate low-cost experiments and elaborate models to children from the local schools. Like the Discovery Center, the science fairs stress an interactive, hands-on experience. If children are to flourish, it is important to dispel myths and open the minds of adults so that they allow the Agastya instructors to teach their children. Integrated learning, art, dance, as well as science and math are taught on the campus. This engages the child's mind and body so that science and math come alive in new and different ways. Art is taught on campus and in rural schools visited by the Mobile Art Lab. Lessons using art media like pencils and paints combined with objects found in nature develop a child's eye-hand coordination and skills in observation. Mobile labs visit rural villages after dark and whole families gather at a central location, often illuminated only by the lanterns the vans carry. Communities learn about the importance of ecology, the value of Ayurvedic plants, and other lessons useful in their lives. Experts say that we only retain 5% of what we hear in a lecture. One young visitor from the major city of Chennai said, "My teachers taught us about the Bernoulli effect last year, but I didn't really understand it until I came to Agastya today and I saw it." When two village girls went to sit under a tree merely to escape the sun, they began to wonder why the leaves of certain trees cooled them more than others. The encouragement at Agastya to ask questions led them to a project that won them a prize in the Intel Iris competition at the national level. Agastya continues to produce winners of this prestigious award who compete with students from the country's finest public and private schools. One visit to Agastya one day can make a huge difference, turning on a light for a child. Agastya knows how to spark curiosity in India's children. That is simple. It is the number of children to be reached that sets up the real challenge. It is important for children to learn that their ideas and discoveries matter, just as their opinions and votes will matter as they become India's future. Agastya's presence in the rural setting is crucial in furthering the development of India through the inclusion of her poor and often disenfranchised. As the spirit of Agastya spreads throughout the country and around the world, it is bringing the rural poor to the table as India makes her mark on the global scene.